Hello, fellow gardeners. Walmart has the fruit which are in the bare roots form, flowers, the bulbs. These are the flowers. We have the potatoes, the regular and the sweet one, onions. They have the strawberry roots and more flowering bulbs. Blackberries, varieties, nut cheese, washita, ebony king. For the grapes, they have the seedless Canadies, Concord, also seedless, Marquez. For the blueberries, they have the Climax, raspberry, red Latham, fig, Olympian, Chicago, violet de Bordeaux, elderberry, Adams, Johns, York, another variety of the blueberry, O'Neill, raspberry, preload, purple, lilac, perennials, Linwood gold, forsythia,
As always, thank you for shopping at Walmart.
or forsythia, Japanese ball, PG pink hydrangea, Nico blue, honeysuckle, Margaret Truman peony, Sarah Festival Maxima, Stargazer lily, Ball of Beauty peony, Forever Susan lily, Landeni lily, Ball of Beauty peony, Spicata liatres, Iris birded dangerous mood, full tide, perennial lilies, bold mix, another variety of the peony, Felix Cruz, Papa Ver, Orientalis mix, Blue Wonder, Tricertis, elephant ears, annuals, Crimson Beauty Cana, Black Knight Cana, Wyoming Cana, Picasso, Back Caladium, Picotti, pink and white begonia, Candinum caladium, mix caladium, Caroline Wharton caladium, mix cala, Morcana, Pretoria, And the mix kana daylilies, blackberry and cream, El Desperado, once in a lifetime, Stella Dior, Clematus, Jack Money, HF Young, Clematus, City of Lion, Bleeding Heart, Pink, the Erangium, Blue Sea Holly, Tennessee Ostrich, Fern, Lily of the Valley, what's that? Nepholphia, the Red Hot Poker, Patriot Hosta, Minuteman Hosta, Mix Hollyhocks, Strawberries All Star, Quinault, Everberry, Washington Asparagus, the white, red onions, California garlic, sweet potato, Gold Rush, red Norland seed potato, Yukon Gold, Harvest Blend, mixed onion sets, the yellow ones, red hollyhocks, yellow ones, Oriental Fragrant Mix Lily, Stargazer, Grape Magic Daylily, Black Hollyhocks, Pink, Cornflower, Double Mix Freesia, Mix Gladiolos.